In this video, I'm talking about Leo and what do they prefer when it comes to sexual traits based on zodiac signs. That's coming right up. What is up, guys? If we haven't met before, my name is Johann, and on this channel you'll find some helpful product reviews to improve your self-care, as well as tips and strategy videos just like this one. So if you're new here, consider subscribing and hit that notification bell before I make other bloopers in this video, because God knows I make a lot of bloopers. When paired with Aries, this pair is very compatible. They have the same sexual preference and it's very hard to remove them. They take themselves very seriously. They take each other very seriously. When paired with Taurus, this pair can be very exhausting, but if you take the time and have that understanding and knowing what they like, it can work out. Taurus brings the passion, Leo brings the excitement. When paired with Gemini, this pair is perfect. When it comes to love, creativity, the passion is just there and just... Did I mention the intellect and communication? When paired with Cancer, Leos can scare Cancers by being very emotional in their own way. If a wild sex life is not on your mandatory list, then it could work out. Other than that, it just takes some time. You gotta listen to each other's needs. When paired with another Leo, two Leos can be very friggin' frustrating, but when it comes to the sex, it can be very powerful. One of the main problems that two Leos have is the fact that hold on, I gotta burp. Is the fact that they do not respect each other's own personal boundaries. Shame on you, Leo. Shame on you. When paired with a Virgo, this pair sexual languages does not work at all. Does not work at all. That's not to say that it's not possible for them to have good sex. It's just very unlikely. When paired with a Scorpio, Leo likes the passion, the search of adventures, the touch when it comes to sex. For Scorpios, sex with emotion is a must. You would think that these two sexual powerful characteristics will come together and work out, right? Nope. It's gonna be kind of difficult for them to find common ground when it comes to intimacy. When paired with Sagittarius, you want the best pair, this is it. Stimulating, passionate, creative, impactful. Do I need to say more? I don't know if I said stimulating and engaging, but if I haven't, add those to the list. When paired with a Capricorn, if you do not mind having a burning, and when I say burning, I mean the type of flames that make you go, oh my gosh, I want to end it now. This is a pair for you. They know what they want, but it's going to be very unlikely that they're going to express it to you. Or if they try to express it, they're not going to express it very well at all. When paired with Aquarius, besides Sagittarius, this is a rival pair to beat. The way how they display sexual confidence is very inspiring. The sexual connection between Leo and Aquarius is just like, whoa. When paired with Pisces, look, as I said before, you want your relationship to flop, not your relationship, you want your sex life to flop, this is the pair for you. Say less. When paired with Libra, this passionate pair is very likely to have some bomb-ass sex. Even if that they are out in public, best believe that the sexual chemistry between the two will start to build, right? Just a matter of time before things start to heat up. If you enjoy that quick burst of factual Leo horoscope facts, I don't know if that make any sense, but I made a whole playlist about horoscopes if you want to check that out. The link is in the description. Give it a look. See if you like something. See if you learned something. Hey, you might find something you didn't know, or you may have and you might be like, yo, this guy doesn't know nothing.